On March 31st, 2016, it was my birthday, and I put $1,000 down on a car I had not even seen before, the Tesla Model 3. And now, 2 years, 1 month, and 15 days later, I'm picking it up. I came all the way up to the Fremont Delivery Center from Los Angeles, California, and I am about to take delivery of my car. Now we're gonna see a lot of stuff here. There's a whole process that goes on with delivery, so we better get started, because I gotta drive this thing back down to LA.
I was lucky enough to start my day off at the Tesla factory in Fremont. We got to tour the gigantic 5.3 million square foot facility, which is home to creating the Model S, Model X, and Model 3. They're pushing to build 500,000 cars a year here. After the tour was over, I can genuinely say I had a new appreciation for both how my car was built, as well as the people working in the factory to build it. Putting real human faces to the process was honestly really cool and made the entire delivery experience a lot more meaningful to me. After the tour, we headed over to Tesla's delivery center, where we get to pick up my car. We were first treated to some fancy coffee from their on-staff barista. But, let's see my car already.
Let's do it. I'm so excited right now. I'm feeling a lot of emotions. Number 1, emotion, excitement. Number 2, emotion, fear. It's a big car payment. Oh my God, which one is it? There's so many different ones.
Right?
There's so many different colors. I don't know, I mean, I think the one closest to me feels like the one that's the right one. Oh my God, I can't believe it. I'm actually like maybe shaking just a little bit, like, and also I might start crying. Like, I'm not even kidding. I'm so excited. Like, this is my new car. Like, yay! Oh my gosh, look at it. It's so pretty. Oh my God, I feel the power. I can't believe this is my car. I'm so excited.
And of course, I had to take 1,000,000 pictures with it. After getting about 1,000,000 pictures taken, I jumped into the car and learned how to turn it on. There's no ignition here, folks. You just put your foot on the brake. Then I went through the user interface, I drew some things on the infotainment screen, and dialed in the mirrors, steering wheel, and seat. It's all pretty user-friendly.
Okay, so we've done a little bit tour of the inside of the car. Now we get to look at the outside of the car, including the frunk. So I'm gonna open it up, which is I can do from the app, which is really nice. And then I'm gonna open it and see what's inside. So inside, I've got this charging kit. So I've got my charging cable, I have some adapters in here, and then I also have this license plate mounting kit, which in California, sadly, is required. I have to put a license plate on the front of the car and ruin the beautiful front end of this thing, but it's fine. California DMV, I guess I'll do it. All right, frunk managed.
Of course, I had to complete a little paperwork, which ended up being a few simple signatures and some information on the EV tax credit and state rebate. Super easy. After crossing the T's and dotting the I's, we went through the how-to bit. We went through automated parallel parking, cruise control, and of course, charging.
Well, we've toured the factory, I've signed all the paperwork, I've learned about the car, including how to charge it, and now I'm ready to drive my new Model 3 back to Los Angeles. I have to say, this delivery experience was unlike any other car I've ever purchased. It was pretty stress-free and ultimately slightly more complicated, but that's not a bad thing. So I'm ready to take my robot car and go live my life. I'll be bringing you updates about my experiences with the Model 3, and until next time, guys, I gotta get on the road. There's something in the center console. I have to look. Day 1 reservation holder. It's a tiny Model 3. Look at this little cute thing. Look at how cute that is.